Welcome to the Techlearners. Today we will talk about the conditional operator provided by the Java. It is a very simple operator, can be an alternative to the if-else block. So let's see in the example program. We write this condition first where the checking is done. So here you can see we are checking whether the marks are greater than equal to 40 or not. Then we have a question mark as a syntax and the result. So we have two blocks on the left of the column one block and on the right of the column the other block. So this block will be executed when the condition is true and this right side block will be executed when the condition is false. So this is the conditional operator. So first we write the condition, then a question mark, and if the condition is true then this block will be executed, and if the condition is false then this block will be executed. So let's understand. Here we have an integer variable marks. This is 35. So we are checking whether marks are greater than equal to 40 or not. So you can see this is a false condition. So in the false condition this block should be executed. So let's see by compiling and executing the program what is the result of this conditional operator. So you can see the result is conditional operator fail, right? So this was the requirement. You can see the condition fails. So on the failure of the condition this block gets executed. Now let me make a little bit change. Let me change this value to 55. Now we can see that this condition marks is greater than equal to 40. Yes, this is true. Now this is 55. So the true condition should be executed. That means the left block should be executed in this case. So let me recompile the program and let me execute the program once again, and this time we should see yes. So conditional operator pass. So this is how we can use the conditional operator. For the condition you can use the comparative and relational operators. So if you are not aware about the conditional and relational operators, comparison and relational operators that are provided by the Java, I have made a separate video for these operators. Please watch the video so you will be able to understand what are these relational and comparison operators that can be used for checking the conditions here into the conditional operator. Let me give you one tip that you should use this conditional operator very carefully because it has an effect of the operator precedence. So let us see how this is happening here. I have a score variable which is equal to 10 plus marks is greater than equal to 40. Like in this case we see marks is greater than equal to 40. They should check whether this is true, the result should be 50, and if this is false then the result should be 0. So now for in our case marks is 55, so this is true, the result should be 50. Now this 50 should be added to this 10 and the result should come 60, that is 60. Now let us see what is the result of this. So you can see the result is 50 only. How the result is coming 50 only, as we have seen that this should be 60, as marks is greater than equal to 40, the result should be 50, just because that this is operator precedence. So here the plus operator has higher precedence, so this code is executed first. So first in the marks 10 is added, now the marks becomes 65. Now the conditional operator is applied. So on applying the conditional operator it is checking whether 65 is greater than equal to 40. We can see yes, and then this block is being executed. So now the score is 50. That is why it is printing 50. So it is, you have to be very careful while using the conditional statements because the effect of operator precedence matters a lot in this case. So this was the conditional statement. I hope you have understood the conditional statement. Feel free to comment into the comment box and ask any of the questions and any query.